Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Crown Chakra Yoga. Let's begin. Today we are going to unblock Crown Chakra. By unblocking Crown Chakra, you will achieve enlightenment, connect to consciousness, and connect to the universe. So Crown Chakra is located on top of your head here. So first of all, let's sit down in a Adha Padmasana, half lotus pose, and nice and easy. And then just bring your awareness to where Crown Chakra is, top of your head. So just sit down and soften your eyes or close your eyes. And breathing into Crown Chakra. So why don't we use 2 fingers to place on top of your head, Crown Chakra is. And then really gentle. And breathing in through the nose and tap into this area. And exhale. Just stay there. Just place your 2 fingers on top of your head. And just simply breathe. Nothing else. Just simply breathe in through the nose. Out through the nose. Breathing in and out. Now from here, make gentle circle on the crown chakra. Now reverse circle. And gently bring your arms down. And continue breathing to this area. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep this awareness to the crown chakra. Now we're gonna do alternating nasal breathing. Close right nasal. Breathing into crown. And exhale, close your left nasal. Inhale through the right. Breathing into crown. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Couple of nasal breathing. Really try to breathing into this area. Now gently release your hands. Stay there for a couple of breaths. Now, open your knees and toes touching. And from here, interlace your hands this way and the crown of your head. So let's tuck your toes like this. Crown of your head facing to the ground, touching on the mat. Okay. And make sure you use your forehead arms as a support so that don't pressure your neck. Gently, maybe you need to curl your back. Touch crown on the mat. And then make sure you use your arms, hands, and your legs as a support so that don't put too much pressure on the head and neck. And just stay there. Tuck your chin and breathe deep between 6 to 8 deep breaths. After between 6 to 8 deep breaths, forearms flat on the mat. And from here, gently circle your head on the mat. Really small circle, doesn't have to be big. As if you are giving nice gentle massage on the crown of your head. After 5 circles, let's reverse. Slowly, subtle. Don't put too much pressure on your neck. Make sure to use your forearm as a support. As if you are giving a gentle, nice massage on the crown of your head. After 5 times, slowly roll up. Again, use 2 fingers to gently tap crown. Make sure to breathe. Work on your pranayama. Very gentle, soft. As if you are like gently knocking your crown. And release your hands. Now, open your leg wide. Wide leg stance, toes in. Inhale and exhale, slowly come down. I have to adjust a little bit. And pointing crown to the mat. And even widen your stance. Widen your stance. And then gently, just about crown touching the mat without not
putting any pressure on your neck. Again, use your forehead as a support. And connect your crown with a mat without putting any pressure on your neck. And stay there. Breathe. Deeply breathe between 6 to 8 breaths. Inhale long and deep. Exhale long and deep. Work on Ujjayi Pranayama. Make sure not pressure any part on your cervical vertebra. After about 6 to 8 breaths, inhale halfway. And shorten your stance. And exhale all the way up. Now take your time to lay down on your back. And let's take final pose of Shavasana. Straighten your limbs. Make sure keep your consciousness, your awareness to the crown, the part we have been working on throughout this sequence. And inhale. And exhale, let it go. Relax. This sequence is designed as a path toward enlightenment. You can do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!